Hi friends, myself Neeraj Misra is here. Uh, myself IT teacher. Basically present here with a new video in which I am going to explain the first chapter of class 7. This chapter leads to know about the most important topic of the computer, in which you have to know about the different type of number system. Students, as you all are well acquainted with the four types of numbers are used in computer. These four types of numbers are first one is decimal number, second one is binary number, third one is octal number, and fourth one is a hexadecimal number. In decimal number system, a number is represented by using the numbers from 0 to 9. Binary number is represented by using the numbers from 0 and 1 by using the number using 0 and 1. And in the octal number system, the number is represented by using the numbers from 0 to 7. And in hexadecimal number system, the number is represented by using the numbers from 0 to 9 and 8 to F. These are the four important types of the number system. Now question rises why it is important as to know about this transformation of the number, because as we all know, computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device and it understands each and everything in a binary form. Binary form means 0 and 1. Basically 0 refers the off system and 1 refers the on system, because electrical impulses are in the two different forms, whether the electricity is passing through the channel, passing through the circuit or not. If it is passing, then it is on. If it is not passing, then it is off. So the digital value of off will be 0 and 1 will be 1. So it is very important for us to know about the conversion of the number. We as a human being, user gives input to the computer in the form of digital numbers, and your computer will convert the number in binary number, and after that the computer will be able to understand. Again, before giving the output onto the screen, the number again, the output is again whatever information, whatever output what after processing that came out will be again converted into the decimal number system, and which is displayed onto the screen. So students, let us have to learn about the different type of number systems, how the number will be converted. Okay, so now let us start. Students, now you all are looking the screen here. This has been 25 written. 25 has been written now, and this 10 has been defined as the base. This is called a base of 25. The base is 10. It means this 25 is the decimal number. This is the decimal number. 25 is a decimal number. Why? Because 10 has been kept as the base of the number. Here again, taking the other example, 10 has been written here, and this 10 has been defined as the base. So this 10 is in decimal form. Next example, here 10 has been written, but the base is 2. You are just looking the differences in between these two different number. This 10 having the base 10, this 10 having the base 2. So this 10 will be known as the binary number. Why? Because 2 has been defined as the base of the number. Again, have to write 17. 17 may also be the decimal number. If you are giving the base 10, then this 17 will be known as binary number. But here 8 has been given as the base of the number. That's why this 17 is known as the octal number. Again, next one is 17, 10. You know the differences between these two. And in hexadecimal number, we use 0 to 9 and 8 to F. 0 to 9, the total is 10, and 8 to F 16. So this 16 will be defined as the base of the number. How can we define the base of the number? In decimal number, from 0 to 9, you know here decimal number 0 to 9 is used to represent the number. In binary number, 0 and 1 is used. octal number 0 to 7 is used, hexadecimal number 0 to 9 and F to F is used. So decimal number system from 0 to 9, it means that it will, if you count the number from 0 to 9, then it will be 10. If you're counting the number binary, then it will be 2. If you're counting the octal number, octal range of the octal number 0 to 7, then it will be 8, and in hexadecimal that is 16. That's why the base is defined as 10 for decimal, 2 for binary, 8 for octal, and 16 for hexadecimal number. Now I have to learn about the conversions from decimal to binary. Here the 19 has been given. You are looking here, 19 has been given. So if 19 is in the decimal form and you have to convert this one number into binary form. So always have to divide this one number by 2. Factorize this one 2 by 2. So 2 has been written here. So after dividing this 19 by 2, then you will see, okay, okay, so 9 will be quotient. So if we are dividing the number 19 by 2, then 9 2s are 18 and 1 will be remainder. This place have to write the remainder. 9 2s are 18 and 1 remainder. Again 2, 9 will be divided by 2, 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and comparative has been defined. 2 2s are 4 and this is the base 0 and 2 1s are 2 and base is 0. Nothing has been base, then nothing is remainder, then I have to write 0. So now the number will be, have to write this way, 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so this is the binary number. So 19, if we converted 19 into binary, then the value will be 1 0 0 1 1 and the base is 2. Okay, this way we have converted the decimal number into binary number. Now next one have to know about how to convert the binary number into decimal number. 101 has been base is 2. It means this is the binary number. And what will the value of a decimal number? If we have converted 101 as a binary, written here as a binary, and if we convert this number into decimal, then what is the value of a value in decimal? Have to write here 101. Now how can we change the binary number into decimal number? Have to write 1 and 1 will be multiplied with always 2. Have to write always 2. 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई हमेशा करना है. तो 1, ये वाला 1 का यहाँ 1 लिखना है into 2 to the power. 2 to the power. How power will be defined? अगर ये तुमने ले लिया है यहाँ पे, तो इसको छोड़ करके बाकी को तुम लोग काउंट कर लेंगे 1 and 2. तो 2 has been defined as the power here. Plus 0 into 0 will be this into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 0. इसके बाद तो कुछ है नहीं. अब यहाँ पे इसको इवेलुएट करेंगे तो 2 2 जा 4, 4 into 1 4 प्लस 0 into anything 0 will be multiplied with any number will be 0 plus 1 multiplied 2 to the power 0. 1 multiplied 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power, the value of 2 to the power 0 will be 1. So 1 multiplied 1 barabar 1. So the total value will be 5. So you have converted the binary number, that is 101 into decimal number, and the value of decimal number will be 5. Now next one have to learn about the addition of the binary. Here the two different binaries are written up and down 101 111. How can we add this number? First of all 1 plus 1, अगर 1 1 जोड़ते हैं तो कितना होता है 2. एंड 2 इज नॉट ए बाइनरी नंबर. तो 2 तुम्हारा डेसिमल नंबर में है. 2 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे बाइनरी में तो उसका वैल्यू 10 आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर ऐसे करेंगे, यहाँ पे ऐसे कर लेंगे 1 1 2 2 का 10 10 का 0 कैरी 1. फिर से 1 1 0 1 1 और 1 2 2 का 10 10 का 0 कैरी 1. फिर 1 1 2 2 का 10 और 10 और 1 11. अगर 11 आता है तो 1 1 है तो बाइनरी नंबर है, तो हम लोग आसानी से लिख सकते हैं. सो इसको देख लें 1 1 0 0. ये तुम्हारा एडिशन हो गया बाइनरी का. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल फिर है यहाँ पे, देख लेते हैं। 111 और 111 लिखा हुआ है तुम्हारा। 112, 2 का 10, 10 का 0, कैरी 1। 112, 2 का 10, 10 1 11, 10 और 1 11, 11 का 1, कैरी 1। 112, 2 का 10, 10 और 1 11, तो ये वैल्यू 1110, ये हो गया तुम्हारा एडिशन। तो इस हिसाब से हम लोग करेंगे तो बड़ा आसान है एडिशन भी करना। नाउ हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द सब्ट्रैक्शन। सब्ट्रैक्शन बहुत आसान है, कैसे घटाएंगे। 1 में से 1 घटाना है, नॉर्मली घटता है तो 0 ही आएगा। 0 में से 1 घटेगा नहीं। देन विल हैव टू टेक द बोरो फ्रॉम दिस नंबर, यहाँ से यहाँ बोरो लेंगे, यहाँ से यहाँ बोरो लेंगे तो ये हो गया मेरा 0, और यहाँ पे बोरो आने के बाद यहाँ पर ये हो गया 10। तो 10 का डेसिमल में होता है वैल्यू 2। अब 2 में से 1 घटाना है, तो 2 में से 1 घटाएगा तो 1, और यहाँ पे रह गया 0, तो 0 का 0 यहाँ रह गया। चलो, तो ये समझ में आ गया तुमको। अब इसमें दूसरा एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। 1 में से 1 गया तो 0, 0 में से 1 तो नहीं घटेगा, तो बोरो यहाँ से नहीं ले सकते, यहाँ से लेंगे। तो यहाँ से इसमें लेंगे, फिर इसमें से इसमें लेंगे, यहाँ से यहाँ और यहाँ से यहाँ। अब कैसे लेंगे बोरो, देख लो। यहाँ से यहाँ बोरो लिया, इसमें लिया बोरो, तो ये मेरा हो गया 10 का 2, ठीक है। अब 2 में से 1 बोरो लेकर के इसमें दिया, 2 में से 1 बोरो, तो 2 में से 1 दिया तो ये 10 हो जाएगा, 10 का फिर 2 हो जाएगा, 2 में से 1 गया तो फिर 1 हो जाएगा। अब ये रह गया था कितना, 1, 1 में से 1 गया तो सॉरी, फिर से देख लेते हैं। 1 में से 1 गया तो 0, 0 में से 1 तो जाएगा नहीं, बोरो लिया यहाँ से यहाँ पर आकर के आया, 2 हो गया, है ना। यहाँ से यहाँ दिया तो ये 10 हो गया, 10 का 2, 2 में से 1 गया तो यहाँ ले लिया, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा मेरा फिर 10, 10 का 2, 2 में से 1 गया तो 1, ओके। लेकिन ये रह गया था मेरा 1, तो 1 में से 1 गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, 1 में से 1 गया तो, है ना, 1 में से 1 गया तो 0, और यहां से हो गया मेरा 1 0 0, 1 में से 1 गया 0, और यहां से हो गया 10, 10 का 2, 2 में से 1 गया तो 1, ये रह गया मेरा 1, 1 में से 1 गया तो 0, और ये भी रह जाएगा मेरा, क्योंकि यहीं से लिए थे ना तो 0 रह जाएगा। तो दिस वे, तो कितना हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 0 0 1 0। तो दिस वे वी हैव सबट्रैक्टेड द बाइनरी नंबर। So after this content I am completing the video. So next में हम लोग जानेंगे how to do the multiplication of the binary number, division of the binary number. So we'll meet you again in next video. Have a nice day and thank you.